What's up, guys? How y'all been? My name is Mike. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about changing colors. For those who see my car, y'all know I have the satin khaki green color on, but I'm not sure if I really want to keep that color or not. So that's why I bought this, to see if there's a different color I like, and that way I can change it and wrap it soon. Let's check it out right now and see how it looks so far. But don't forget to leave comments. Give me y'all opinions if y'all really think I should change it or if I should keep it. So this is the color I have. Haven't finished all of it, but it's getting there. I buy all my stuff from metrorestyling.com. I'll be showing you all the colors they have. This is just one out of 3 samples. I only bought 1 sample so far. Products are really good. These are some of the colors I picked. I had this one taken off already, so let's check it out. And that's how it looks. It's like a purple color. I really like this one, so that's one option. It's a nice color, but you'll probably get stopped by the cops depending where you live. And this is one of my favorites right here. It's called Satin Flip Caribbean Shimmer. Let's see how it looks on the car. This is how it looks. It's kind of like a blue and green color. Leave a comment below if y'all like it. It's kind of like a flip color. This is similar to the one I just put. This one is similar to the one I just showed y'all. Then we have the other blue color, dark blue. This one's a nice color. It's called Satin Flip Volcanic Flare. Let's try it out. It's a very nice color. There's the code. Satin Flip Volcanic Flare. It's like another flip color. Once the sun hits it, it changes color. Now we have the red colors. Another big fan. Orange. Let's go to the green. This one's kind of nice, but I don't know if I'll like it on my car. It's called Satin Apple Green. Gloss green. We have that military color. That's a nice one. We have that one similar to the one I just showed y'all guys. This is a good color too. It's called Satin Key West. Let's try it on. Set in Key West. That's the code number, code name. It's a nice color too. We have the gloss sky blue. This is a good one. Matte Rivera blue. Let's check this one out. It's very nice. It's called Matte Rivera blue. We have the gloss metallic satin. This one's a nice color too. Purple, black, pink. That's a good one. Black, deep black. Matrix. This one right here, it's a good one, but it's more for like a fancy car, you know. This one is carbon fiber. Can see it good. Then we have the black shades. This one's a nice color. Gold dust black. This is one of my favorite ones too. It's called Gloss Black Rose. Let's try it out. I think I really like this one. It's one of my favorites so far. With the other ones too, but this one just looks nice. And then we have this one, which is Gloss Black Galaxy Black. Looks so cool. Then we have all the gray shades. Gray carbon fiber. More gray. Then we got white. This one's a white carbon fiber. This is a pearl white satin. We can try this one out. That pearl color looks good too. Caramel color, gold metallic. This one's carbon fiber, but it's just clear. That's pretty much it. Out of all the colors, this is the ones I chose. Now let's put all of them together, see which one I stay with. Comment below, give me your opinions. What's a good color for this car? That's all of them. Let me know what y'all think.